you all are doing well. In this section of my video, we will be going through the concept of the magnetic field and magnetic field lines. Now, starting with the concept of magnetic field. What is a magnetic field? A magnetic field can simply be explained as a field or a region around a magnet or a current carrying conductor where magnetic influence or magnetic force of interaction, or you can say the force of attraction or repulsion, can be experienced by any other magnet. Or you can say that if one magnet comes in contact with the field of another magnet, they both experience a certain force of interaction on each other. If both of them are away and not in the field of each other, none of the force can be experienced. So this is an actual concept of magnetic field. Now, correlating this concept of magnetic field with field lines, you can say that up to a certain region, if magnetic field lines are existing, then you can say that magnetic field of a particular magnet or a current carrying conductor can also exist to a certain point. Let us understood this concept as well as the properties of magnetic field lines, which we have to study here. As I have just explained, that magnetic field can be defined as a space around a magnet or a current carrying conductor where magnetic influence, or you can say the magnetic force of attraction or repulsion, can be experienced by any other object, any magnetic substance or any other magnetic material. You can describe this concept as a magnetic field. This magnetic field is represented by letter B and its unit is Tesla, which is denoted by capital T. There is further unit of magnetic field which can be expressed in different parameters, but here Tesla is actually the standard unit or the SI unit. Now, as I have just said that magnetic field exists up to a certain point where magnetic field lines are reaching. What are magnetic field lines? You can say magnetic field lines are imaginary field lines which start from one point and move on to the another point. Consider this magnet, North Pole and South Pole. Talking about the magnetic field lines, the magnetic field lines start from North Pole and move towards South Pole outside the magnet, while inside the magnet they go from South Pole to North Pole. Hence you can observe with the help of this single property that magnetic field lines forms a closed loop which can be compared with electrostatic forces, electrostatic lines of forces produced by charges. Those are open lines because they start from positive charge and end on a negative charge. So an important property tells us that magnetic field lines are continuous on closed lines. If you are required to calculate the direction of magnetic field with the help of field lines, how you can calculate it? As you can observe that CD represents a certain magnetic field lines. Let us suppose you need to calculate the direction of field at this particular point, which can be simply made by drawing a tangent onto that particular point. So here another property comes into act, that on drawing a tangent to the lines of forces, the direction of magnetic field can be observed. But remember, tangent is drawn in the direction of lines of force. In this case, the lines of force is in clockwise direction. So tangent is drawn on that side. If lines of force were in anti-clockwise direction, the tangent is drawn on this side. The third important property, which is similar and we have already understood in the previous section, that two lines of forces does not intersect. The reason is pretty clear. If we draw a tangent onto the point of intersection, we will observe two direction of field on a single point, which is practically impossible. So third important property you should remember, that two magnetic field lines does not intersect at any point. So this was the basic concept of magnetic field and magnetic field lines. I hope you have understood this topic well. Thank you.